Now we start chapter number 18. Here we learn about reflection and rotational symmetry. Okay. So first reflection symmetry. A figure is said to be symmetrical about a line L if it is identical on either side of L. In this case, L is called the line or axis of symmetry. Okay. So see first example. A line segment is symmetrical about its perpendicular bisector. See, this is the figure. This is line AB, and this is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So OA equal to OB, and these four angles also each of is 90 degree. So so OPQ, POQ. This is the line of symmetry, since both sides of this line of symmetry is identical. Okay. See next, a given angle having equal arm is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle. This is an angle AOB, equal arm, that is OB equal to OA. Now the bisector of the angle is OC. So these two is identical. This is the line of symmetry. Okay. Next, an isosceles triangle is symmetrical about the bisector of the angle included between the equal sides. This is the isosceles triangle. These two sides is equal, and this is the angle between these two equal sides. So bisector of this angle, this is the bisector of this angle. So this side and this side is equal or identical. So AD is the line of symmetry of ABC. Similarly, for a kite ABCD, AC is the diagonal and these two sides is identical. So AC is the line of the symmetry. Next is number 5. A semicircle. This is the semicircle ACB has line of symmetry, namely the perpendicular bisector of diameter AB. So this is the diameter, perpendicular bisector. This is also symmetric about the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay. Let ABCD be an isosceles trapezium. Okay, isosceles trapezium means these two sides are equal, in which AB is perpendicular to DC and AD equal to BC. Let E and F be the midpoint of AB and DC, and we join this. Okay, so EF is the line of symmetry of the trapezium ABCD. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry, each of one which is the line joining the midpoint of opposite side. Now this is the ABCD is a rectangle and midpoint of opposite side. So AB midpoint P and opposite side DC midpoint Q. So this is also a line of symmetry, and for this side midpoint this is also a line of symmetry. Okay. So a rectangle has two lines of symmetry, each one of which is line joining the midpoint of opposite side. A rhombus has symmetrical about each one of its diagonal. So rhombus has two lines of symmetry. A square has four lines of symmetry, namely the diagonal and the line joining the midpoint of its opposite sides. This is the square. For these two diagonals is line of symmetry and midpoint joining midpoint. So a square has four lines of symmetry. Now question 10. An equilateral triangle is symmetrical about each one of the bisector of its interior angle. So this is a equilateral triangle, and this is a line of symmetry. This is also a line of symmetry. This is also a line of symmetry, and this is the bisector of this angle. This is the bisector of this angle. This is the bisector of this angle. Okay. A circle is symmetrical about each one of its diameter. Okay, each of one of its diameter. So circle has infinite number of symmetry of line. Each of the following capital letter of English alphabet is symmetrical about the dotted line or line shown as. So here see. So letter A has line of symmetry. This is the one line of symmetry. B has also one line of symmetry. C, 1, D, E, H has two line of symmetry. I has also two line of symmetry. M has one line of symmetry. O has two line of symmetry. Here. T have one line of symmetry. U, one line of symmetry. V, W, X has two line of symmetry. Y has one. So A, B, C, D, E, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y is symmetric. Okay. So see exercise 18A. First question. Tick the correct answer in each of question 1 to 9. So question 1. A scalar triangle has no line of symmetry, one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry. So scalar triangle has no line of symmetry. A rectangle is symmetrical about the line joining the midpoint of its opposite side. A square has four line of symmetry. Rhombus is symmetrical about each of its diagonal. A circle has an unlimited number of line of symmetry. See question number 6. Triangle ABC. Now this is the triangle ABC. ABC. AB equal to AC. Okay. AD is the perpendicular of BC. AD is the perpendicular of BC. B is the perpendicular of AC. B is the perpendicular of AC. CF is the perpendicular of AB. ABC is symmetrical about, since this is the isosceles triangle, so symmetrical about AD. Okay. So next, ABC is the kite which AB equal to AD, BC equal to CD. The kite is symmetrical about diagonal AC. The diagonal AC. The letter O of English alphabet has two line of symmetry. The letter Z of the English alphabet has no line of symmetry. Okay. Draw the lines of symmetry each of the following figure. Now I have drawn one line of symmetry for this, and this is the bisector of this angle. Okay. Now, which of the following statements are true and which of them are false? Number 1. A parallelogram has no line of symmetry. This is also true. An angle with equal arms has its bisector as the line of symmetry. This is also true. This is also true. An equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. This is also true. A rhombus has four lines of symmetry. This is false. Also two lines of symmetry. This is its diagonal. A square has four lines of symmetry. This is also true. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry. This is also true. Each one of the letter H, I, O, X of English alphabet has two lines of symmetry. This is also true.